have to tell woman the truth. You see me? No matter what.
Respect you.
Guess what? Them have feelings just like how you have feelings.
No, I don't have no feelings in my husband.
You see me?
Right
now, he's a married man, but what? I'm still on the road. I'm going to tell my wife straight. Say, yo, you know, I'm sure her. And she passed her. She will say, yo, she cute.
Rico, I'm telling me I'm doing have them problem there. Rico, listen to me. You see the girl when know me when I'm growing at the surrounded with them. When them stepping, I'm a cry. Them they have a problem, you know. Them one them hide, you know. The one them I know, the one they give buzz, you know. You understand? So them you know about. It's when me talk about them there.
Doing a fair girl in a circle.
Thank you.
You don't know about and you see me? They don't really know about
Rico.
But still,
but wait. You know the wickedest thing? You believe my husband don't have no all girl. That makes sense? Make something happen now. And see which one of the girl I gonna put them hand up and stand up for doing. No. You know why? Doing married to one of the strongest man on that earth. And you see that alone they are threatened by. So they play around with him, marketeer me and him for prove for say, oh, doing a one Queenie and Queenie and old man and Queenie and this, but none of
that's one thing wife, man. Cause even when him defend him live, him still big up him wife. You see me do it just need to just know say yo, him are the man, him have the balls, him are the man. Him are with the underpants. And what him say, I saw it go. Sometimes when you're nagging him for just say yo, Queenie, shut the fuck.
Thank you. But not in the way how it deals. You can't
certain situation. Especially when you're in a marriage. You see me? I say you have to communicate with in a marriage, you know.
Thank you, Rico. The man ran out of the house Sunday. And then I call Simone, I tell Simone, I don't tell my wife already to me in a none, but you not talk to me. Things like that, let me tear up.
Vex with him for that, you know. Big old man think, cause me I say, dog, your wife there, brother. Your wife don't know nobody, or you don't know nobody, brother. You should have their wife foot same way, no matter the argument, because you don't make up your mind and you got there with her. Despite only that got through. You got there.
A new emotion, new trust, new answer to new. Doing just sit down and waste some time. And when I talk, people want to bash me. I not have that. I not spend the whole of my life. I work so hard. Physically, emotionally, mentally. For me build my husband, for me and him have a life. I see my shut up, brother. Because you know what happened? If I turn my back tomorrow, none of them can do it. And that's the only reason why I
only thing them are gonna look for him and give him a look. That's the only thing him gonna get. Him not gonna see no real money. Him not gonna get to travel when he want to travel when he might travel with his wife. Him not gonna see certain things.
It takes a lot to build all of that, Rico.
It takes a lot. As I said, him come like your charm. Your good luck charm. Me I watch a thing from where you know watch a thing all the while. The same come like a good luck charm.
He does, you know.
See me, I see that.
I see to me give them I see because I give them like a power talk there. It's flying head and I'm not see the real reality of it to say this woman is a great woman. So I have to approach her with caution. You cannot make me feel like me is nothing. I mean alone have to secure myself because I have confidence. I mean, me need stability. I need assurance from my husband. What you want me to get to a man for come look at my pussy? Right? I won't for one of my looking at. No,
no. Film duty that, you know. Skin it out, stab it out, do anything you want to do with it, you know. Film duty, you know. You see me?
Madam, I give him the good, I give him the bad, I give him the ugly. But good conquer it all.
Yeah, man, good prevail,
and
man.
Nice. What was some, madam? Me I want a nice wife, and I look on and say, you know, my husband not get certain experience in our life. So
yeah, and that is, me respect you for that. You see me, Queenie, because guess what, as I said, him not have certain experience in life. You see me, say, so when him grasp that experience, they know and know what the world is all about, you gotta have the best.
Thank you. And that's what I was giving him. But when I see my show up for me, I tell him, go on, move! And I say, go all right, a turbo roll this. It takes two to make a quarrel in a reason.
That's all now. two on a tangarang, you know. Two on a know how to talk to each other, you know. That is the problem, you know.
We do not.
Sometimes they talk to each other in anger, you know.
It's the communication. It's the communication is the key for every relationship. You hear me? You can't shut down and go to 10 different people, explain yourself, and the situation still remain the same. So I'm going to tell you, I'll know if you believe me. All of the
I believe that, man.
Me and the man do a show at Jamaica. I do a show at Jamaica. And before I show down that beer style, the way I style me, because I'm ignorant feelings. I cannot sit down and make the way constantly do that. I go scream out, brother.
You can't diss up your wife, brother. You can't. You see me? I have to just do the right thing. It take me a while to learn to, you know, Queenie, because as we said, when you're inexperienced to certain things, you see me I say? So
all right, listen now, Ruka. Me the promotion, me do ads, me the performance, me get booking. Now my husband would have never take one of my bookings and my ads where me I make money and put on his page. Now me see him do ads for a girl and put on his page. But me have things that come up as well and him not endorse it. So you want to tell me is a bad you understand me? I go up there and say, but you could have listened to the man say, but you could have charged you £100. You got give your son here now. Me don't want to send a £50 and give my son. And I'm like, one cocoa full basket you have to start from somewhere. I cost about somebody see this dirty blood about we are gonna get born and do we are gonna girl. I like sure yeah, she's still alive to come past.
Watch out the thing. I know them man lick them at them 6. Brother, and we all know them living up. Some of them now live in a blood and them just want to run up in a people's life and tell people how to live for them life when them can't live better. You see me, I just want to say life, you know.
Cute to that. Cute to what? Nice, man. A blessing, fantastic.
Only thing I have to say to you, you don't marry to your boss. You see me? I care what the media say or what everybody say. Or your husband. And anyhow you want to angle your situation pertaining to your marriage. Or your business that do it how you feel to do it. You see me? That's all we can say to you. Because at the end of the day, you are going to do what you want. You see me? So you just angle it or you angle it. As a man, me I go beg for him still. I know say I'm young and inexperienced, but give him look at time. Same way. Never might know. You don't want to work for him and then after you done work for him and him get all of the qualities that you want, he must share it to our next girl. You see me? So you have set to yourself, if you further down, you go set to yourself, because I work on this man here, and now he must show all I girl the quality when I want him to show me.
And that's going to happen. And that's going to happen eventually because me not going to get the best out of time. Somebody else will get it, but that still is good if you learn. And
everything is a learning process.
It's all right.
You're not going to live the same way every day, you know, especially when you get old shit. You see? Me, I go want peace and stability in your life after a certain age. You see me? So, as I say, Mama, just you know of angle your thing, angle your bangle, pray to Father God, because you know him alone can solve certain situations same way. You see me? And just angle your bangle, Mama. Go and do your thing, go and do your promotion, go and do your song. Them you don't know, we subscribe to everything and we share and like everything for you. You see me? And as a big man, we respect you. You see me? Yeah, man. Go and do your thing, man. Do we ever come to him senses, man? You see me?
Blessed love.
Yeah, man. You too, man. Bless up, man.
All right.
Baby,
bye. Ah, Rico, nice first speech as a man. Mutual. It better the man them class. Almighty too, because man know for them play games and up to no good. Me not sit down and make at me. discriminate my action and my behavior and my right and tell me, oh, you don't think my hurt did for go. Rude. Our Queenie want here. I want here, baby. No, don't know what me want here. Who them only for people? Who no? You know, so you know, my love is still a laugh. You gotta make me stop laugh. That's when me stress. From me, I laugh, same blood. And see them look now. I love you, and I am sorry from doing. Oh, that's cute. Thank you. What, leave it?